So my screen capture just crashed and I had a good one here, but I'm gonna go in anyway without video. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. Now this is my 3,000 sub special and I'm feeling pretty good right now. Never thought I can get the channel to this point here, but enough about me, let's get into it. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can take out multiple credit cards with only one credit pull. Now this is something that I actually did myself. Now before I start, let me just say that you are gonna need at least a 640 credit score. Now before you exit the video because you don't have a 640 credit score, hold on. You're gonna wanna watch this video because once you get that credit score up to a 640, you're gonna wanna do these steps here. So let's get right into it. So I'm gonna tell you how I got to this point. I'll be pretty quick, but it is important. So about 8 months ago, I took out a Floor & Decor credit card. Well, it's not actually a credit card, it's a store card. I could only use it at Floor & Decor. That was about 8 months ago. Then a few months ago, I bought an RV and I took out a, where is it here? A Good Sam Camping World card. This is actually a Visa card. Shout out Marcus Lemonis. So this card here, I took out maybe about 2 months ago. And what I noticed was this card is the same bank as the Floor & Decor card. So I started thinking, well, I wonder if they offer any other cards to any other stores or any other actual Visa credit cards. So I did a little bit of research and it turns out they have a ton of different store cards and credit cards. So what I did was I looked at what they had and I applied for an Academy card, and I still haven't even opened yet. I got an instant approval on this card and they didn't run a hard pull on my credit. So from there, what I did is I applied for a discount tire card, which is also the same bank. Did I even mention the bank? The name of the bank is called Comenity. So if you go to communitybank.com, you're gonna see all the different credit cards they offer. So once you have a relationship established, you can apply for all these different products and they won't run a hard pull on your credit. Yes, they will run a soft pull, but they're not gonna run a hard pull on your credit. So this card here, the Floor & Decor, as I mentioned, I got this one about 8 months ago. So in that 8 months time, I'm establishing credit, I'm establishing a relationship with Synchrony Bank. So from there, you're able to take out all these different cards. So another card that I did take out and I got instant approval for is a discount tire card. Now the discount tire card is a store card. You can't use it anywhere. It's not a Visa card. It's just a discount tire card. And that card I also got an instant approval for. The Academy card, I only got approved for $450. And the discount tire card, I got approved for $1,400. So there's one more card that I applied for that you're gonna wanna check out. And this card here, I had to do some digging to find it. I didn't find it on their website, so it's not there. It's a Currency Counts exclusive right now. So the card that we're talking about here, it's the Lexus Visa card. Now this card works as any other Visa. You don't have to buy a Lexus to use this card. And I got approved for $4,000, instant approval without a hard pull on this card. So I haven't even opened it yet, along with the Academy card that I haven't opened. So all this happened maybe about a week and a half ago. As you can see, I still have this one that I haven't opened that just came in a few days ago, and this Academy card that I did open, but I haven't actually activated yet. So there's the Academy card. So all my numbers are on the front of this card, so I don't want to show it, but it's the Academy card here. And let's open this Lexus card. I hope the numbers aren't in the front so I can show it to you. Earn 5,000 points when you spend 500 outside of Lexus dealership within the first 90 days. That's enough for $50 cash back as a statement credit. Cool. To activate the card, visit Comenity. Is it Comenity or Synchrony? It's Comenity Bank, not Synchrony. What the f am I talking about? There it is right there. Look at all these different cards they offer. This is one of the cards that I actually applied for. The Academy card. There's American Home and Taylor, Apple Seeds, I don't know what that is, Appliance Connection. I won't go through them all, but look at these, it's a ton of them. Some of these are a little bit off brand, but look at the brand names they have here. Camping World, I also have this one right here. Floor & Decor, this is another card that I do have. So if you see here on the right side where it says credit card. These are actually store cards, but if it says Visa on it, like this DSW card right here, this means it's an actual Visa card that you can use anywhere, not just at this DSW. But these are all different cards that you can apply for once you have that relationship with Community Bank. So just to recap, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 credit cards, instant approval with one credit pull. You will need that 640 credit score. Remember, apply for one, let it sit for a while, let it sit for 6-8 months, and then you can apply for more cards. There's even more cards out there than the ones I have here, but I didn't want to go too crazy. I'm gonna wait a while, then apply for some more. But let me just mention, these are not great APR credit cards. If you see the APR on these, they range from anywhere from 18% to 29%. I'm not really gonna use these. These are just really to build my credit even further. But some of these do offer some good perks. Like for example, the Floor & Decor has 18 months zero financing, which is great if you're actually gonna use the card. So I hope this video helped you out. And if you are one of the 3,000 who has subscribed to my channel, I really wanna thank you. I'm deeply humbled. Way more to come. Check you on the next one.